and speed combine to create a graceful and efficient stroke. The first key element in freestyle swimming is body position. A flat and horizontal body alignment helps reduce drag and increase speed. Next, let's focus on arm movement. The swimmer's arms alternate in a continuous motion, pulling through the water and propelling the body forward. Breathing is an essential aspect of freestyle swimming. Swimmers rotate their heads to the side, taking quick breaths while maintaining their body position. Now, let's dive into the kick. A strong and rhythmic leg kick provides propulsion and stability, helping the swimmer maintain a steady pace. To swim faster, swimmers often incorporate a flip turn at the pool wall. This allows them to maintain their momentum and continue swimming without interruption. As swimmers refine their technique, they strive for a smooth and efficient stroke, combining all the elements seamlessly to maximize speed and minimize energy expenditure.